Hello guys, in this video we will see what is matchmaking failed error in Counter-Strike and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of understanding the matchmaking failed error content. The matchmaking failed error in Counter-Strike indicates that the game client was unable to successfully connect to a server with other players, preventing you from joining a match. This issue can stem from various sources, including problems with your local internet connection, corrupted game files, issues with Steam servers, or regional server unavailability. It signifies a breakdown in communication or resource allocation required to place you into a live game session. Step: perform basic client-side troubleshooting. Content: begin by restarting Counter-Strike completely. Often temporary software glitches or memory leaks within the game or your system can cause connection failures, which a simple restart can resolve. If the problem persists, restart your entire computer. Next, verify the integrity of Counter-Strike's game files through Steam. This process checks for corrupted or missing game data that might be preventing the matchmaking system from functioning correctly, and automatically redownloads any necessary files. Step: diagnose and resolve network issues. Content: ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. Test your connection speed and reliability and check if other online applications or games are working. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for seconds and then plugging them back in. This can clear network caches and resolve connectivity issues. Additionally, ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Counter-Strike from accessing the internet. You might also consider temporarily switching to a public server like Google and or to rule out related routing problems. Step: check server status and region settings. Content: verify if Steam servers or Counter-Strike-specific game servers are experiencing outages. You can do this by checking third-party status websites like Steam status or official Counter-Strike community pages. If there are known server issues, you will simply need to wait for them to be resolved. Also, ensure your matchmaking region settings within Counter-Strike are appropriate. If you are trying to connect to a server in a geographically distant or currently overloaded region, it can lead to repeated matchmaking failed errors due to high latency or server unavailability. Steps: consider reinstallation or contact support. Content: if all previous troubleshooting steps fail, a complete reinstallation of Counter-Strike may be necessary. This can resolve deeply embedded file corruption, configuration conflicts, or residual issues that simpler methods could not address. Then install the game, delete any leftover files in the game directory, and then perform a fresh installation. If the error continues even after a clean reinstallation and thorough network checks, gather detailed information about the error message and all the troubleshooting steps you've attempted, then contact Steam support for further assistance, as the issue might be specific to your account or system configuration.